Hi and welcome. My name is Rich Pacini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope I like the content and you come back for more. Today, I want to talk about ChatGPT. Yes, I've been hearing a lot about it on the internet, YouTube, by social and other social media groups, and I just thought I'd expand a little on the topic. I want to share a little information with you guys with it. I think it can be helpful to the quote-unquote new YouTube creator out there who's thinking about starting a YouTube channel. This could probably be a little way to aid and assist you and maybe give you a little idea on how to perfect good titles, whatever. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. But before I do that there, folks, I just want to say this YouTube video is being created with Filmora 12, and if you are a new YouTuber out there that doesn't have a video editing software, you might want to look into this here. It's a free download. You can try it out. And they got two plans. They got an annual plan. They also got the perpetual plan. You can check the pricing out on that there as well and see which one works better for you. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into it. What is GPT and how can you use it? I'm going to read a little into this here. Now, the websites that I'm showing you over here, I'm going to give you the URL links, but I'm going to drop them below in the comments so you'll be able to read them. I don't read everything verbatim, and that is why I give you guys the URLs. And I always like to throw the dates out there in some cases when I do these videos, because I don't want you guys to think it's old stuff out there. So I hope you get a takeaway from it. And again, check it out, read them at your own leisure. All right, so let's read a little into this here. This story came out December 26, 2022, last year. It goes on to say, what is ChatGPT and how can you use it? It says, this is what ChatGPT is and why it may be the most important tool since the modern search engine. So scrolling down a little, like I said, I'm not going to read too much. OpenAI introduced a long-form question answering AI called ChatGPT. I'm going to get tongue twisted with this one. That answers complex questions conversationally, and is revolutionary technology because it is trained to learn what humans mean when they ask a question. Seriously, I mean, I've been trying it and I like it so far. I think it's pretty good. So, I got no complaints on my end. It goes to say many users are awed at its ability to provide human quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. You got to check it out, okay? Now, I'm not going to read too much more into this here, folks. Like I said, again, I want to try to keep this video as short as possible. I will drop the link below for this here so you can read it. This one here is from Search Engine, right? In case you're wondering, Search Engine Journal right up here, okay? And you could read you could read the other stuff. They have the latest articles, SEO, and so on and so forth. Got a lot of good information there. All right, so check it out. I'm going to leave that up because I got to go back and copy the URL for you guys. Did you know that there's a little battle going on here with that as well? Check this out. This came out from Forbes, and this story came out February 6, 2023. It says AI battle, Royal erupts with Google Bard versus Microsoft OpenAI ChatGPT, stoking AI ethics and AI law concerns. So this got a little video. Well, it's not a little video clip. It's 28 minutes long. You can play it at your leisure. Again, I don't put these things on because I don't want my YouTube channel to get 8 community guideline strikes. But I'll read a little into it. It says, get your helmet on and ready for the fallout from an emerging battle royal in AI. Here's the deal. It says in the corner stands Microsoft with their business partner OpenAI and ChatGPT. It says leering anxiously. In the other corner is Google, which has announced that they will be making available a similar type of AI based on their long-standing insider AI app known as Lambda. Lambda sounds kind of a techie, which is stark contrast to ChatGPT. Seems kind of like a little airy, right? Light and airy. Google perhaps realizing that the name that name is embellishment. What is needed, and opted to put forth its variant of Lambert and anointed it with a new name, Bard. Okay, sounds like Bard. Okay, but anyway, again, This will be down there and the links below. You could read it. Okay. And here we are at ChatGPT. Okay, this is their site right over here. It's again, don't worry, all the links will be there. It goes on to say here, ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialect. It goes on to say we have trained a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialect informant makes it possible for the ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admits mistakes, challenging incorrect premises, and rejects inappropriate requests. ChatGPT is a sibling model of InstructGPT, which is trained and follow an instruction and a prompt and provide a detailed response. Now, if you want to try it, you click it on, and it'll take you to a window like this here. Now, I already tried this here, okay? And that's why I want to share it with you guys. I put over here, explain, just as an example here, explain quantum computing in simple terms. I'm not going to read it because they do have samples there. Okay, when you go there, let's open up another window here. Let's go over here. Let's try another one here. You're going to get this window. These are the examples. This is what it's going to look like when you try it out. Okay, and don't worry, you'll be able to try it on your own. These are the examples, and when you try it out there, it's no big thing. I already put a couple things in here. Check this out. I put, well, not this one here. I keep getting that one there. This one I put over here, can ChatGPT help new YouTubers come up with new content for their YouTube channel? And then this is what it said over here. Now, I'm not going to read this here verbatim, but I'm going to let the computer do it. Now, I want to show you something really interesting, guys. You see right up here in the command line here, right where my mouse cursor is, you see that there? That's called read aloud. When you hit read aloud, it'll read it to you. Check this out. I'm going to have to mute my mic because I don't want to get the reverb, feedback. So we're going to check this out. Watch this. So you click this on. You're going to get this here.
Can chat help new YouTubers come up with new content for their YouTube channel?
Okay. It did it way too quick. Let me try it again here. All right. It's going to pick up where I left off. Now, here's the thing I want to show you with you guys. You have voice options right over here. And this is free. This comes with the Windows. Well, I'm using Windows 11 right now. But when you click this on here, you could make it slow. You can make it talk fast. You could also change the person's voice too if you don't like it. Okay. If you want to keep it there, they got all these different voices here. And this is all for free. This is all for free. And it's got different ones here. Just to let you guys know. Look at this here. It's got David, Mark, Zira, English. You got South Africa. Look at this. Albania. Arabic. You could pick one here, whatever. But I'm going to pick one just for argument's sake here. It's going to go down here where it says United States. You can also do United Kingdom as well. Let's see. This is natural. Let's try this one over here. Let's see. How about this one here? How about Guy? Okay. And what you would do is you would just set the speed here too if you want to make it sound a little better. If it sounds too robotic. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. I'm going to plug in and mute my mic. Okay.
Channel. Yes, I can certainly help new YouTubers come up with content ideas for their channel. There are many different approaches you can take when creating content for a YouTube channel, and here are a few suggestions that you might find helpful. Solve a problem. Think about the challenges your target audience is facing and create videos that offer solutions or advice to help them overcome those challenges. Share your expertise. If you have a particular skill or knowledge in a specific area, consider creating videos that share your insights and expertise with your audience. Showcase your unique perspective. Everyone has a unique point of view and perspective, so consider what makes your take on a particular topic unique and create videos that showcase that perspective.
I think you guys got the gist of it.
Try something new.
It's a pretty cool little tool, and it stays right over here in the command line here. And all you got to do, and then when you want to deactivate it, you just close it like that. It deactivates it. But if you want to have it read, well, this is good for, like, I don't know. Let's say you're doing a video and, maybe you have one of those off days. You got a scratchy throat. You don't want to read or something like that. You could just tell the people up front, listen, I got a cold here. I don't feel like I could be able to read this. It's not going to come out good, whatever. You could just hit that little button. It's right up here and you'll see it. It'll say read aloud. Okay. For those who don't know. All right. Let's go over here with the chat now. Let's check this one out here. We explained it, and how I got that there, just to let you know, when you go over here, you're going to get these 6 samples here. All right. And you can check them out for yourself. But let's try something over here. Okay. I want to do a title. Okay, this is good again for like a YouTuber like yourself. I wrote that over here, titles over here, just to show you what it's all about, how it works. Titles for on how to on how to start a YouTube. I can't type today. YouTube channel. Boy, I really can't type today. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. All right, and check this out. You can hit this little arrow over here. All right. They want me to fix that. Okay, we'll fix it. All right, now it sounds good. All right, looks good. Okay. Titles on how to start a YouTube channel. And this would be good if you're going to create a video, right? Check this out. Takes a little time, but there it goes. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, I love it. I really, I'm so glad I stumbled onto this because it's going to make my job a little easier when it comes to creating YouTube channels and stuff like that there, or information I want to share with you guys. It's been pretty much anything you could pretty much type in there, as you can see here, right? I mean, this is what you could use when you're starting a YouTube channel if you're going to teach people. And it gives you, let's look what they get. Let's see what they have over here. All right, 10 essential steps to starting a successful YouTube channel, how to launch a YouTube channel, a beginner's guide, the ultimate checklist for starting a YouTube channel, starting a YouTube journey, and so on. Look at this. It's pretty cool. I mean, to be honest with you, it gives you good, ideas on what you could use, and you could just copy and paste this here, put it in your title there. Because remember one thing, like when it comes to creating a YouTube channel, I said this before, folks, and I'll say it again, or at least the way I do it anyway. When it comes to creating a YouTube video, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. And the other two things that are very important is good titles and thumbnails. All right. Now it'd be good to create thumbnails like that too. I don't know. Like I said, I'm only, I'm just hitting the surface with this here. I'm just, finding out about this here, and I'm putting it out. I want to share this information with people. So, for those of you out there that are looking to start a YouTube channel, this could be a little aid and assistance when it comes to creating titles and stuff like that. Or if you got some other stuff you want to add to it, check it out. It can't hurt. As far as I know, right now it's for free. I've been hearing that they're toying around, or the idea, floating around the idea that it might cost $20 to use it. However, the people who follow me know that I like freebie stuff, and right now I haven't paid anything for it. So I hope it'll stay like this. I don't know. That's what I've been hearing. I thought they were talking that idea about charging for this here. And to be honest with you, but this is me. If they do charge $20 a month, I don't know. I might have to find somebody else to use, because I really don't. I'm not saying everything is nice to get. It's nice to have free stuff, but I don't know. $20 a month might not fit in my budget right now. But let's see what happens. Right now it's for free. I will drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. And let me know if you guys use it. Drop a link in the comment below. Let me know. Say, hey, checked it out. It's pretty good. It helps out and stuff like that. Streamlines your work a little. Instead of sitting here brainstorming, it's like, try it out. What do you got to lose, right? All right. That's all I have for you right now. That's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about this here ChatGPT. I think it's pretty cool program. And if you guys use it, I hope it works out for you. But anyway, I'm going to let you go. I don't know how long this video is. I hope it's nice and short, because sometimes my videos run long, and I really do apologize about that. But, it's hard to sometimes I want to share so much stuff with you guys, and I don't know. I just love sharing information with you guys. And let me tell you something. For those who are new to my YouTube channel for the first time, I love sharing information. Okay, and if you look at my banner, it'll tell you help, inspire, and share. That's what I created my YouTube channel for. It's to, keep an open forum, and I like to, put out different topics out there too. I don't like to just focus on one particular thing. For those who subscribe to my channel, you're gonna probably notice me talk about different things. I like to talk about photography, the cameras I use, the video editing software I use. Share little tips and tricks on how I create my videos as well. So. And I also am an online reseller. I've been on eBay about 23, 24 years now. So there's times I like to share information with you guys. And how I go about doing that there is how I share that information is through the Reseller News and Let's Talk eBay okay? Because I like to keep up on top of that as well. So, you know, you may see things pop up here on my YouTube channel, but I hope it'll be helpful to you guys. And the most important thing in all the videos I create is I hope you guys get a takeaway from it. That's the most important thing. But hopefully, if you get a takeaway from it and you like me and you like the content I put out, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. And I want to just say this really quick. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you already have an established YouTube channel, I am wishing you guys all the best of luck, best of success. And remember what I always tell you guys who follow me, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. And don't forget those other most important things too, the titles and good thumbnails. Until next time, bye-bye for now.